Hello, Beth with Hly Inspired. Today I'm going to show you how to make a heart-shaped nose on a plushie. You're going to need a tapestry needle, yarn, and your favorite plushie. We're going to begin with your tapestry needle and a long piece of yarn, and you're going to go in from the side up to the center bottom point where you would like your heart to be. Then you're going to go up to the right corner where you want the top of your heart to be, back down to the bottom center, then up to the left. And then we're just going to continue going back and forth into the same holes on either side, making sure to bring your yarn towards the center when you bring it down to the bottom center hole. Just continue doing this until you have filled in your heart the way you would like it. Okay, so now that we have it, the fullness that we would like, now take your yarn tails, go back up to the top points and come down the bottom hole, but have your yarn on the outside of the heart. That just helps to finish off the shaping of the heart. Do the same thing with both yarn tails. So go through the bottom center, up to the top, and then bring it out the side. And then once you are finished doing that, you're going to secure your yarn tails together and then hide them inside of your plushie. If you enjoyed this video, give my page a like and subscribe. If you would like to find the pattern for Mila The Lovebug, you can find her on my website. The links are in the description below. Thank you.